welcome back to WsCube Tech. So guys, in our previous session we learned what is group by statement. In our today's session we will be talking about distinct keyword. Now let's understand what is distinct keywords. So if I take an example over here of the same table that we had in our previous session, that was our student ID, roll number and the student school club. Now we have drama club, we have arts club, we have theater club, we have music club, dance clubs, different clubs are there, okay. Now I don't want the count of it, that how many students are there inside it. What I just want to see how many total clubs are there. I don't want these repeating values, but I want okay, there is a drama club that exists over there. There is a sports club that exists over there. If I'm looking for, let's say, robotics club, so I want to check if the robotic clubs is there or not. So for that, what we can do, I can enlist over here that how many total clubs are there. So we are not enlisting that repeating values, but we are just enlisting how many clubs are there. So it will not repeat it. The distinct keyword will not repeat the value, but it will show you all the total number of values. So if there is a value which is occurring one time, it will still show you that one time. And if there is a value that is occurring 4 to 5 times, it will still show it to you as one time. So right now we can see we have dance, drama, sports, music, arts, drama, dance, sports, dramas, music, sports, arts, all these things. But what if the amount of data is in heaps, like there are more clubs and we just want to know what all clubs are there. So for that we will be using our distinct keyword. Let's have a look on how it can be used. So for distinct keyword as well, I have already created a file in which we have imported the MySQL connector. We have created a connection over here. I have started the cursor, then get data is there, execution is there, fetching all the data, and plus printing all the data in the for loop is there. Now what I need to do, I need to write the query over here. I'll be using the select query. Why select query? Because I'll be viewing this data inside our Python. So whenever we want to view a data inside our Python, we will be using our select query over here. Now what do we want to see? We want to see our school club over here. So I'll be writing school club from student club data. That is the name of our file. So if I run this much right now, let's see what output we will get. So we can see right now you can see that all the dance, drama, sports, music, arts, drama, dance, all the clubs that are there, they are appearing over here. But some of the values are repeating as well. I don't want a certain value to repeat over here. So for that, what we can do, we can use the distinct keyword over here. For writing distinct, all we need to do is write distinct over here in front of our school club name. Inside we will pass the school club. That means from which column we want our distinct values over here. So now if I run it, so you can now see that we have dance, drama, sports, music and arts. That means the repeating values has been removed from here. So for using distinct keyword, we just have to write select distinct and the name of the column which you want as a distinct column, and then the name of the table from which you want to get this data. So I hope guys that the distinct keyword is clear to you. With the help of distinct keyword, you can use this distinct keyword at many certain places. Suppose if you have a table in which you have employee data. Employees are of different departments inside a company. We have managers, we have counselors, we have people in our backend, we have people in our business development. So if you want to know what all departments are there inside a company, you can use a distinct keyword. So this is the use of our distinct keyword. I hope you guys have no doubts and no questions. In our next session, we will be talking about the sum function. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.